Welcome to the factory floor. As a battery manufacturing technician, you help build and test the multi-module system that powers electric vehicles. We have to finish putting together this partially assembled EV battery before sending it for the all-important pass-fail test. Let's start by testing the cooling system to make sure there are no leaks. We'll flush the system to check for leaks. Ready to flush the system? Press the button on the screen to start the test. It passed. The cooling system is working properly. Hold the trigger to tighten it. Nice job. Okay, watch the monitor. Great. The module's communicating with the battery management system.